Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. For today's video, I'm going to be doing Marley twists on myself. I bought these Marley braids a month and a half back and I bought them accidentally. Instead of wasting them, I figured why not do these twists on myself and use up the braids. And I actually need a style for the next few weeks because I'm literally overdoing my hair. So I'm going to be doing the Marley twist. I'm going to do like a medium style. It's not going to be too small, not too big. And let me just show you guys the braid that I'll be using. So this is the Rasta Marley braid and this is color number 4. So it's the Jamaican reggae kinky hair and I have 3 packs of this hair. The amazing thing about this hair is that it's already separated. I don't remember how many inches long this is, but these are very long. Want to see how I get these done, you can keep on watching. I'm going to be doing the root grip method. I don't really like using rubber bands or crochet needle. I prefer to start at the root, so I'm going to be starting my twist from the root and I'm going to show you guys how I learned to do it and how I'll do it in this video. So the products I'll be using are this extreme gel. I'm going to be using this throughout the twist just to make it a bit more smoother. As I mentioned, it's a kinky hair, so it does have like flyaways, so I want it to be a little bit smoother. And I also have the Ocean. Is this even Ocean? I don't even realize it doesn't say Ocean. I have this hair wax that I'll be using to make my parts a bit smoother, and I'll be using this at the root to just make everything come together nicely. I bought a tail comb and I also have a scissor just in case I need it. So that's the products, those are the products that I'll be using. This is what the hair looks like outside of the packaging. So as I mentioned, it's already separated. So I'm just going to ensure the ends are separated so I don't have any bumps going down. Just make sure that this is fine. So now that we have our hair separated, let me just put some gel to separate the strands. I section my part into 2 different sections and I'm going to place my braid in between those and I'm going to twist one side of it outward and then I'm going to twist the other side inward in order to start doing my rope twist. And I try to do this very tightly so that everything comes together and I get a good grip at the root. Once my rope feels tight enough, I can then finish my twist throughout the braid and I add gel in between in order to lay my hair smoothly with the weave and to make everything come together nicely. Ended up using like 1.5 packs of the braids, so they are very thick and a lot of braids come in each pack. So if you have thick hair like I do, I really do have thick hair, especially on the top of my head. That's where all the thickness is. And then if you are not doing it too small, then 2 packs should work for you. This is so good. Hair is quite long, so I've been using the gel to seal it because my natural hair is natural and I really don't want it to unravel in the next couple weeks of me wearing this style, so I'm trying to seal it. And what I like about the gel is that it really hides or seals most of the hideaways, so I don't have to spend much time going over it with a scissor because there isn't much to really go over. And then I'm going to hot water it to make sure it's all flat and well laid. But the other side, yeah, doing this in two. 4 edges. Put a little bit of my holding gel. Yeah, that looks like it. Okay, and then I'm gonna do the. Okay, this is how we're looking. So that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was easy and also something that you'll be interested in doing. If so, you will find all the items that I use in the video linked below. And thank you guys so much again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.